Now, this is how you can fill out documents on the iPhone. If it's a Google Word document or Docs document, you can open it up inside of the Pages app on your iPhone and edit it right there. So if it's just like editable file, you can go ahead and tap on it to edit it. However, if it's something like a PDF or like a sample file, whatever it might be, right, you can just install the app on your iPhone called JetSign. There are more signing apps available, but this one is working okay, so I'm gonna recommend this one to you. So you download this app onto your iPhone, just set it up, like perform a couple of different things to get through the initial steps, and then whenever you find a document which you want to fill out, for example, in your email, you can click on the share button and choose that application, which is going to import the file into the JetSign app, using which you can tap on individual fields to enter text, date, the checkmark icon, and even a signature, so you can easily just fill out PDF forms or documents or whatever else it might be, and you can easily just add all of the information which you want directly on your iPhone. Once you're happy and done with the file, with the form, you can easily just export it, save it to your Files app, or just send it directly through the email. So you can perform many different things, and it is a great way to just fill out documents on your device. As I say, there are more options for this type of apps on the App Store. This is not limited to the one which I've shown you, so if you prefer a different one, you can try it out as well, but I'm just showing you what worked for me and what I can recommend to you as well. Anyways, let me know below in the comments if you liked what you see. If you want to see more tutorials and videos like this one, don't hesitate with subscribing to this channel, where I publish a lot of videos and focus on a direct approach and straight to the point topics. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.